friends, on this video how you can clean up your RAM from CPU. And friends, before we clean, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Here I have opened already my CPU. You have to open your CPU. After you open, here you can see it's very dirty under it, so I want to clean my RAM. Okay, how you can clean up? Here you have to take some smooth tissue or some clothes. Okay, before that you have to take out this one, I think so. Here just press that one. Look at this, press on it like this, then on this side also just pull out. Okay, just take it and pull out, and after that you can clean up your RAM. Okay, with this soft cotton you have to clean so that it will not scratch here and there. That's why you have to take cotton cloth or this smooth paper. The another one also you can just push, then pull out. Okay, the same thing with this also. So friends, this is how you can clean your RAM from CPU. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you want to insert it, then here, check it out. This dot black color should be in the side, and you have to insert it like this. See, please check this one, this gap. Okay, you have to insert it at the same look. Then okay, then push it, then after push it, it will lock by itself. Okay, look here, just push it. You just need to have to push. Then another one also the same thing. First look at the gap. Okay, then here just push in, then it will lock by itself. The same thing here too. So friends, thanks for watching. Bye.